The Arthrix proximal humerus plating system is intended to treat a variety of fractures of the proximal humerus. The system features the alpha anatomic plate, 95-degree buttress plate, and the 130-degree proximal humeral plate. The alpha plate is a unique side-specific anatomically designed option featuring crossing screws for added pull-out strength, suture holes for cuff repair, a choice of 4.0 mm fully or partially threaded locking screws proximally, an interior bend to avoid the deltoid insertion site, an oblong hole that allows up to 5 mm of compression, and accepts 3.5 mm locking or non-locking screws in the shaft. The blue and yellow color-coded screw configurations can be used interchangeably proximally, while the green and gray screws are interchangeable distally. Begin the procedure by positioning the plate on the bone with the alignment guide attached. Using the 2.5 mm multiple drill guide, drill bicortically through the slotted hole with a 2.5 mm calibrated drill bit, using the laser markings on the drill to determine screw length. Insert a non-locking screw through the hole using the T15 hex driver and handle. Verify the proximal screw trajectory by inserting K-wires through the aiming block and verifying using fluoroscopy. Insert the screw sheath into the alignment guide, followed by the 3.5 mm drill guide. Advance the 3.5 mm step drill through the sleeve until the drill tip reaches subchondral bone. Using the depth guide, measure to determine the desired screw length to be inserted. Unthread and remove the drill guide from the sleeve and insert a 4.0 mm partially threaded locking screw through the sleeve. Repeat the following steps for the remaining proximal screws. The choice of fully or partially threaded 4.0 mm screws is based on surgeon preference. Once all the proximal screws are inserted, remove the alignment guide. For the distal holes, begin by threading the 2.5 mm locking drill tower into the screw hole. Drill bicortically using the 2.5 mm drill and use the calibration lines on the drill bit to determine screw depth. Unthread and remove the locking drill tower and insert a 3.5 mm locking screw using the hex driver. Repeat the previous steps to fill the remaining holes with 3.5 mm screws to complete the plate fixation.